Welcome to my YouTube channel. So it is nice to see you again, guys. In this moment, I'm trying to create my personal budget spreadsheet, and you're going to learn as well to create yours. Somehow you may need this for your personal reason. But before we start, it is good that you know the definition of budget spreadsheet is. Just like what you see, it is a personal budget spreadsheet that offers an individual a way to determine the state of his finances and also can help you to plan spending over the course of a period of usually a month or a year. So it is your personal plan about finance. It can be a good plan for you in case you love to spend money for no reasons. It can help you a lot. With a budget spreadsheet, money is managed and every expense is a lot enough amount without exhausting the coffers. So it can minimize your habit of spending money. By creating this plan, you know where your money should go to. So in short, you can see that the budget spreadsheet here is a good friend to control your cash flow. Yeah, just like that. So the first part here, I would like to write down my incomes. So I have two incomes here. I have two types, and I would like to input both of them on my budget spreadsheet. And somehow I have other income too. So the first table here only talks about my income. So in case you have more than 4 incomes, it is good to make a table so that you know where you get the money and how you are going to spend them. So I end up with the total income. You can write down the amount of the money. So this is the template for you. You can try at home. As I do it manually, I need a ruler. You can also make it digital by using your phone or maybe your laptop. So this is going to be the second and the third tables. These two tables consist of some parts that I'm going to put. So because I'm using a pen, so there is some dots of pen, dots of inks. Just be careful when you use the ruler and the pen. So the first section of the second table is fixed expenses. So this is the expenses that must for me. For example, it's like you pay your regular, what is it, regular fee, just like school or home or any other credit that you need to pay monthly. So you can put those things in the fixed expenses. Meanwhile, for variable expenses, it is any other kind of expenses beyond the fixed one. I also put budgeted and actual. So the first, I'm gonna write down the budget amount of the expense, and when I spend the money, I would like to know the actual one. Somehow there is a change in the actual payment, maybe about the taxes, maybe about other reasons, or maybe sudden information that you just got, so that you have to pay more or maybe pay less, or maybe you get discount, so you just have to create the budget one and also the actual one, so you can compare and you can control how many budget that you need, that you prepare for the payment. And the third and the fourth tables will be my debt savings. So after I create some tables about expenses, so the fourth table here is going to be my debt savings. So what is left from my income after the expenses. So I write down my debt savings here. Maybe I have more from the budget expenses and the actual one, so there is some savings. I'm trying to put it on my fourth table. So this is debt or savings with the budget and the actual one. So maybe you have a plan about saving some amount of money, so you can write down the budget one, how much money you want to save, and the actual money that you save. And the last table here is going to be the summary. So after I complete filling up those whole tables, and then I try to complete the last table in the end of the month. So this is the summary, the conclusion of the whole tables above. So there is the budget and actual with the subjects of total income, fixed expenses, total variable expenses, and total debt savings. And for the rest, I would like to know my total leftover. So with these simple tables, I'm going to see my cash flow easily. So I hope you enjoy this template. Enjoy creating yours.